Hey YouTube, so I am back with another video and I am recreating the first look I ever uploaded on here. That was just me showing you guys what it looked like. So starting off with my eyebrows, I am using NYX brow gel in the color black and a small angled brush I got it from shopmissa.com. I don't know the brand it came from. So to clean up my brows, I used Cool Tan from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just blending that out with the Deluxe Crease brush from Real Techniques. So to prime my lids, I used Cool Tan again, and I just blended that out with that same crease brush from Real Techniques. To set that, I used a mixture of Maybelline and Mercier's Translucent Setting Powder to set that high, and going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, I used Pukey and Creamsicle from that palette with just a fluffy brush from Morphe's 702 brush set. So going in with the Second Nature palette from Morphe, I know one of those is Spice and I can't think of the other name, but I also added those into my crease for my transition shades also. I am just blending that all together. So going in with like a flat fluffy brush, I used Whiz and another color from the Second Nature palette to go into my lower crease to deepen up the shadow colors. Yeah, I should have zoomed in at the beginning of that. So just taking, I'm pretty sure that's Spice again. Oh, the other color was Blaze, Spice and Blaze from the Second Nature palette. They're two red shades. Yeah, I just used those to blend out the darker colors. So going in with Cool Tan, I am just going to cut my crease, and then I set that with the Mercier and Maybelline mixture.
Cedric on the beat.
the glitter primer from NYX. I'm just going over the part that I cut, quote unquote, and adding the copper glitter also from NYX to my lid. Taking a piece of tape, I just wrapped it around my fingers and tried to clean up the glitter, and I just blended out those shades again around the glitter. I'm taking Wet n Wild's Mega Liner, the liquid liner. I just created a small winged liner. The mascara I used is from Smashbox. I don't remember the name, but I will leave it down below. So for my face, I primed it with Makeup Forever HD Serum and Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So for foundation, I'm using Urban Decay's All Nighter Foundation in the color 10.0. And to blend that out, I am using the Morphe M439 brush. For my highlight, I used Cool Tan from LA Pro Concealer and also Warm Honey just to lighten that up a little bit. That's not Warm Honey, the second shade, that is Medium Beige. So for my contour, I used Expresso, again from LA Girl. Small stippling brush from e.l.f. I just blended out my contour, and for my nose I used a fluffy angle brush from the Morphe 702 set. And I just blended out my highlight with a Morphe sponge. face, I use Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder. Yeah, I set my entire face with that. Brush I'm using there is a highlight brush from e.l.f. Taking a powder brush from Roll Techniques, I use Maybelline's Dream Wonder foundation powder in the color 95 or Coconut, and I also went and set my face with that one too. I set my face with Urban Decay's All Nighter setting spray and some Fix Plus from M.A.C. For my highlight, I used Bronze Glow from e.l.f. Lined my lips with a brown lip liner from Wet n Wild. And that is Editrix from Marc Jacobs. I use like around my lips. And for the inner part of my lips, I went in with Abu Dhabi from